Your brain has already decided you don't matter. This is the ultimate psychology fact you never thought existed. You think your boss disrespects you. You think your partner ignores your boundaries. But those people are just mirrors. The real predator, the one who taught the world to push you around, is staring back at you in the mirror. Psychologists call this self-betrayal. And until you understand that you are the source of your own weakness, every attempt to stand up for yourself will fail before you open your mouth. But here's where it gets even worse. Most people think being tough means winning arguments. No, conflict with others is easy. The war you're losing is the one inside your own skull. Here's the painful part. Every time you say yes when you mean no, every time you laugh at disrespect to keep the peace, you aren't just getting pushed, you are training your brain to see yourself as prey. Your brain learns a brutal lesson. My voice doesn't matter. And once it learns that, it stops defending you entirely. You become a ghost haunting your own life. But here's where nobody wants to admit. Your brain loves self-betrayal. Why? Because it avoids conflict. When you betray yourself, your brain gives you a hit of relief. Good, safe, they still like you. This is cognitive dissonance. When your actions don't match your values, your brain has two choices. Admit you betrayed yourself, or rewrite your values to justify the cowardice. Your brain always chooses the lie. It whispers, "It wasn't that serious. They're not worth it. You're overreacting." Do you see what's happening? You aren't becoming more patient. You are lowering your own standards until disrespect feels normal. You are negotiating with your own dignity and losing. If that hit you, good. It means you still have a pulse. Here's the truth you've been hiding from. The world doesn't push you around because you lack confidence. It pushes you around because you have abandoned yourself so many times that your own brain no longer believes you are worth defending. When someone disrespects you, the real pain isn't their action. The real pain is the shame you feel because you didn't stop it. That shame isn't weakness. It's your integrity screaming for oxygen, but you silence it, you distract, you numb. Every time you do that, you dig the grave deeper. If you want to break this cycle, stop looking for assertiveness techniques. Techniques don't work when your brain sees you as prey. Here's the mental trick that actually works. Stop asking, "What will they think?" Start asking, "Will I respect myself after this?" Psychologists call this self-concordance. It's ruthless. It means you stop negotiating your boundaries, you stop explaining, you stop asking for permission to exist. Toughness isn't being harsh to others. Toughness is being unwilling to betray yourself just to avoid a moment of tension. 3 dark exercises to rewire your brain. 1. The integrity check. Before every decision, ask, am I doing this because I want to, or because I'm afraid of their reaction? If it's fear, the answer is no. Even if your voice shakes, you are not being rude, you are reclaiming sovereignty. 2. The apology audit. Stop apologizing for existing. Every unnecessary sorry is a ritual of self-abandonment. Replace "sorry I'm late" with "thank you for waiting." Watch how power shifts. 3. The betrayal log. Every night, ask, where did I abandon myself today? Not to shame yourself, to hunt the pattern. You can't kill what you refuse to see. The world will always test how much you're willing to betray yourself for approval. Every time you choose alignment over approval, your brain starts to trust you again. The person who can't be pushed isn't the one without fear. It's the one who made a pact. I will not abandon myself again. So, for the next 7 days, before you shrink to please someone else, stop. The person you need to be tough for is the one in the mirror. When you stop abandoning them, the world will stop pushing. If this hit home, say this affirmation internally: I choose alignment.